B? Y'all just
It
me?
sounds
Yes.
good.
We're just talking. We're just having a
Ah!
conversation. No, Lord! You killed my fucking girlfriend, you bastard.
Give yourself up! You're surrounded, you know!
God damn.
I told her not to peek, and she fucking peeked, dude. Girl gamers, am I
Turn on
right?
A, just kill the
SMH.
team.
Coming for you!
I mean, it's in the name of Allah, you know what I
We'll
mean?
kill you!
True, yeah, she served her god. Oh my god, there's somebody on B. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Surrounded, you know!
Oh, hey, come on.
We'll kill
Hey,
you!
hey,
I just smoked your goat.
go around and flank them. Go around and flank them, guys. Go around behind
We're
them.
moving on C.
They'll never suspect it.
Hey!
Go around. Hey, we're gonna keep shooting at you from the front of this door, alright? Just keep looking.
Alright, sounds good, sounds good.
Go around behind him. Go flank, go. Go get him. Alright, come out with your hands up. Oh wait, I mean, don't not come into our point, my friend. We have big guns.
Enemies captured me!
I told you not to come. What have
Only two
I
left.
told you?
Shit,
You're the only one left.